Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat messages not sending problem. So in this video I'm going to show you if you are facing Snapchat message not sending, so how can you send it or how can you fix it. I'm going to show you that step by step, so please stay watching carefully. So first of all, you need to launch on your Snapchat application, and now go to your menu bar. Here you can see, and this is your messaging option. Now if you want to message anyone or send message anyone, but it's not sending, you are facing this problem, you cannot send him message or snap. So in this video I will show you how can you fix it or how can you send message him. So first of all, go to tap on your Bitmoji on the top left corner, and now here you can see this is your Snap profile. And what should you do? Just tap on the settings icon on the top right corner and then scroll down, and after scroll down you get a option clear cache option. Here you can see clear cache, so just open clear cache and continue it. Now successfully your case already clear. So now you can go your messaging option, and there you can see lot of friend is here on your profile. Open anyone inbox and then type something, then send him. Here you can see message already sent. So here you can see Snapchat message not sending already solved. Now you can send Snapchat message anyone. So guys, in this way you can fix or you can solve Snapchat messaging not sending option. So hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.